Pussy wall! What? Bamba wall! Girl! Happy guy, you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright, my general, all things.
You alright?
What I'm to you? You drink too much rum?
Yeah.
How I do to you?
It fucked me up.
I will make you rum.
No.
I forgot for that I will make you rum, man. Yo,
You alright?
I forgot my find out I will make you rum, you hear? Yeah, man, you fuck you up for true. Me see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I say go.
I say that, you alright?
Me alright, man.
What's going on, alright? Yes.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, you hear?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Yeah. Say something for them, this sir. Good morning.
Morning! Hello! How are you doing? How are you doing? Nice day, so nice. Yeah, put it on Facebook.
Yes, Granny.
Put it on Facebook.
Yes, Granny.
Yeah. Man, go soak out your mother. Yeah, she toes. Yeah, she toes. Yeah, she toes. You want to take your mommy go buy a pussy.
Skid away how the skid. Eh?
I chop them and chop them more. That girl they come later.
Yo, he ding away ma take him money ado.
Because never do whatever, take the money and buy a pussy.
He skid away how the skid.
But me I tell him, it's a destruction there for him.
Make you whole TikTok no man. Destruction.
They want this blood clot, you take him money and buy a pussy. I do have a bank book. If you ever do the wrath of God, what come down for the man who buy a pussy?
Skid away ado.
No blessing the death of the man who buy a pussy. That can't make the man better. Hey, yo, hey. The kid out of Portugal. Them a world for Portugal, a world for. Leave my flag alone.
So why you have this?
Hey, don't leave the kid out, leave Portugal alone.
So why am I to leave Portugal on?
Because them is
But a two-side you say?
Yeah, but me find it. Them in a world
Jerry,
cup.
this no look good.
Hey, yo, hold on. 200 million me lose.
We not talk about that.
Them
This not
qualify.
serious.
Them respect them qualify for 200 million.
But
Them-
listen now,
You don't qualify, you're idiot, son.
you know say all people have pick up crosses and put in them
I'm
yard.
innocent, I'm on keep my flag.
I have to go buy you one flag. Which
Yeah.
side you say me I buy you one
Two flags
jersey?
you have to buy.
No, pick one side. Which side you are bringing a World Cup?
Messi side.
Argentina?
Yeah.
So why you just from man me and say Brazil
No,
you
hold on.
change?
I told me, I don't know Pele. I Pele a Brazil, I must know Pele.
Jerry,
Pele give them what to
so alright then, if you have
Alright.
hold on. If you have to pick one side, right? Which side did I bring?
Pele side, Brazil.
Brazil.
You know,
So why
Brazil.
you say Messi?
Easy.
I know you say today I great it. When you Father's Day, yeah.
Happy Father's Day.
Today Father's Day. Check me and say today Father's Day. I'm not buying nothing for your woman.
Every Father's Day, I'm buy things to move, man. Then you know, no sense.
Say, oh, aye, how me can get a good woman?
Sure, they talk so bumbo clock long for boy. God make other man eat to go sit down and raise. No ras clock, if you tell us so long. You know, make other man steal other man eat.
So me can chat about the woman.
So why did we ask you they talk so long? So why when you go talk about two man say?
How we love woman?
You're in vexation and provocation and spirit. Why they ask me and you put talk about two man, you know, woman, you know, party, but they fuck know what them about two man.
and we were told that we were allowed special pass through here today. I don't know why they
I never get no instruction about that.
Apparently not, and I'm sorry
Obviously,
about that.
obviously we're working on the road and we're scraping the road. The rain wet up the road over the weekend, dig up the road.
Yes.
We have a deadline and we have scraped the road.
I understand.
But unconsiderate motorists like Uno will feel like say Uno superior for drive on the road when we are fixed and ask you every day when it all done. And now work with no procedure what we come with.
Sir,
So we lock the road, Uno walk come through same way.
Sir.
Grader take up something on the road, Uno walk come through same way. Uno don't respect nobody. Because Uno feel like say Uno entitled to drive on the road where we are fixed pan. But we not entitled to block the road while we're fixing it. I don't know how Uno work like that. But when you go to America, the man them say don't spit on the road, don't piss on the road, Uno do the exactly good same thing. But when you come around and so, Uno go on like say what? You can buy on the way out, nobody can stop Uno. Uno unstoppable. I'm still talking, sir. Yeah, and I can't say you're a police or law man. Uno break all the rules and the law, brother. And then Uno want with you abide by rules. Still talking, sir. And I'm saying to you, it mark no entry. Let me ask you, did you see the sign, sir? Wait, Mark. No entry. I get a chance.
Yeah, man, please.
You work on this side
Yeah,
here?
funeral.
Sir?
Master. So you're getting. You're getting. When me buy your car, so you don't know your car getting. You never sex a woman and get pitney. Eh?
You're 18 years old and I'm a big man.
You're 18 years old. Happy blood clot.
Soon turn big man, man.
You soon done big man?
Yeah.
So like how you're 18 years old, what year you born?
1992.
1992.
I get that, man. 1982.
1982 you born and you're 18. Bumbuki. So when you reach which age you go make a youth?
You don't know what age man they start looking you.
You can't make youth at any age, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, any age you can't make youth, man.
At first, I know them things, man.
Eh?
But you can research about them and
Who lose this bag? When they can come back for it?
Come back for what? I don't eat, but I'm wrong with you know. You're Lebanon. I need therapy. I need therapy, you know.
But me and Melody
Buying things. Alright, so complete bring money come. I think you can't get this.
No, but I think...
Find us keepers. You're buying $1 million and keeper.
Yeah, because the person come back for them million. And who will lose one bed, Jerry thief one bed and come back
Find
for
the
it.
bed.
So Jerry...
Find bed. I need to give me that. And the bed said already, you know.
The bed...
The bed. And the sponge.
So the bed and the
money
sell?
now wait for.
So them sell already?
The bed said already.
Who will buy bed? Bed frame. Why not trigger us a box? Bed frame. And mattress. Oh, it's sell already?
Yeah.
How much I sell it for? 10 grand. Did somebody buy that for?
Yeah. And the sponge.
So what else you have to sell?
Me now become nice crib.
Crib? Where the crib there? Oh, where crib? What's green something more? Where crib there? Where the crib there?
The thing have to lift up the greens on the right, that's all.
This? I want crib? But I want this to jump out for me, I mean nobody lift it. So baby crib?
Yeah.
This one baby crib?
Yeah.
Nobody not gonna want that crib I can buy Jerry.